Tuwang-tuwa pa ako sa $18 per hour as a social media manager when I started, but then I realized that was not worth it. I was doing everything. Strategizing, content ideas, content planning, content editing, scheduling, engaging, and for what? $18 per hour? No way. So I stopped charging hourly rate. I built packages, and that changed everything. And today, I will share with you why $18 or hourly rate is keeping you stuck and how switching to packages changed everything for me, including closing $3,000 per month. Here's 4 reasons why you should stop charging hourly rate. First, hourly doesn't reflect the value of your work. As a social media manager, we are valuable. Skills natin yung kailangan ng client. Because social media management is not just typing or just posting. You are offering strategy, creativity, time, emotional labor, and results. That, even if you are charging $100 per hour, that doesn't fully cover the energy it takes for you to create strategies. Also, create content calendar with ideas, strategizing those ideas, editing reels, and building community with their business. Because strategy is a skill and deserve to be paid for as a result, not by the minute. Because usually, ang nangyayari ngayon is we are just accepting client because we want to get paid or we want to earn money. Yes, that's the case. And that's one thing that we can consider as well. But if you guys really want to take social media management seriously, you are the one who's professional and the client the one who needs your professionalism, who needs your skills. That's why don't ever undervalue yourself just because you want to earn money. Because social media management is not just posting. Other people can do that, even virtual assistant, but we called ourselves as a social media manager because we are more than that. We are the one who's responsible to build community, which other people really don't know how to do that. And you as a social media manager have the skills or should have that skills to do that to your client's account. And second reason is the very common thing that is happening right now. Client might micromanage time instead of results. I heard this a lot from those people who availed my coaching na Shara, nakaka-burn out kasi 20 hours per week kami nung una tapos naging 10 hours per week na lang pero same lang din ang ginagawa. Kaya minsan nagtatrabaho ako ng sobra kahit tapos na yung 10 hours ko na yun. That happened because you are charging hourly. When in fact, you should not charge hourly. That's so unfair and so stressful. Because when we charge hourly, that door opens for client na pababa yung oras. Kasi syempre, once na bumaba yung oras na we work with that client, bumababa din yung rate natin. Which, unfair for our end because we deliver the same result. And that happens all the time. I know some of you still experiencing that or have experienced that. That's why I have created a form for you. It is like a safe space for all social media managers to connect with me. Anonymously, I have created a form. Feel free to fill out this form and send a note to me, and I am so happy to help you and so happy to connect with you. And the third reason why you should not charge hourly is because offering packages gives you clarity, structure, and boundaries, which we want as a social media manager. Because when you offer packages, it becomes all about what you deliver, not how long you take. That means you can work whenever you want. What time zone it is, kahit oras mo or oras man nila, kung ano yung gusto mo or kung kailan mo gustong mag-work, makakapag-work ka. Or if tapos ka na sa 20 contents per month, for example, you deliver it, tapos ka na, you're good. You don't have to work for it. For example, the client hire you to create 20 content per month and natapos mo lang siya within 5 days. And the rest of the month, you are good. Feel free to get more clients or sign another client if you have more time to do that. And that's how flexible offering packages is compared to hourly. Because as a social media manager, it is like you are running a business and not clocking in like a virtual assistant. Because virtual assistant and social media manager is very different one. Packages create professional boundaries and make your work more manageable. Kaya most of you nagtataka na, Shara, paano mo ba naman na-handle yung 25 clients na yan in a month? Kaya mo ba yan? kayang-kaya as long as you are offering packages. And also, as long as you are good in what you are offering. Kasi kung nangangapa ka, for example, you are offering content creation, tapos may nag-avail sa'yo ng 5 reels a month, tapos nangangapa ka and you don't know how to create content, it will took you so long for you to do that and for you to deliver that. But if you're someone who used to create 40 reels per week, it's very easy for you to create 5 reels and deliver that to your client so you can accept more client. And that's what happened to me, which I love to share with you my different setup and how I handle everything as a freelance social media manager on the other videos. But let me know if you are interested with that. And the last reason why you should stop offering hourly rate is because offering packages is equals to better income plus easy onboarding. And sino ba naman ang ayaw ng better income, diba? Reason why we are here in the freelancing industry is because we want a better income. And offering packages, everything is clear upfront. Like, you want this package and okay, I will deliver that within a month. Because offering packages, it states there what's included, what's not, and what to expect. And basically, when you onboard client, you will say on how you will work together. It helps you to price based on the result that you give and not hour you spend. That's why when I started as a social media manager, I am so grateful that I have this client that's offering $18 per hour. But then that I have that experience right now, I do think $18 per hour is really not worth it. It is because I am doing everything for that client. And I think that is fair enough before, because I don't have experience back then, but my rate is $18 per hour. But if you guys have experience, have knowledge, and you are watching this because you want to get more experience, you want to get more knowledge about social media management, I would suggest not offering hourly rate. I would suggest that you have that boundary and offer that packages. If you are interested on how to create a package, what to include, how to present it, and how to price, I will see you on my next video, and feel free to watch all of my playlists here about social media management because I know for sure this will help you a lot in your journey.